Hi guys, and welcome back to the Online Music School, dedicated to producing music content for your training and development. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and in the meantime, hit like and subscribe.
Okay, so now we're going to get into the chorus of the song. Okay, so judging from where I left off on the verse, so okay, so there's various ways you can do this once you end on your chord 1. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you or show you is something called a 7-3-6 progression, okay, which will take you to the next part of the song. So, in the beauty of your holiness. So you're on your 1, okay, and you go to 7, okay, so this is the key of F, remember. Okay, so we want our chord 7 here. Okay, and on your left hand you're going to play E as an octave. Your right hand you're going to play a G minor chord. So voicing's going to be B flat, D, G, and B flat. Okay, so you can shorten it. Just play the single note in your left hand. Okay, then I'm going to. This is a dominant 7 chord that I'm showing you here. Left hand you're going to play A for the root. You can do an octave on the A, so A on your left hand, and right hand you're going to play C sharp, F, G, and C. Okay, and then you go to your chord 6. Okay, so that's 7, 3, then 6, and you just go to your normal, it's a normal 6 chord, so left hand you can play D on the left hand, A, D and A on the left hand, and right hand you're going to play D, F, A, and D. Okay, you don't have to do this thing I've done, it's kind of just a good flavor. Okay, showing you some advanced voicings here. You may not be able to do this. So, wait on you. Okay, essentially you play, this is a passing tone. It's a 5/4 slash chord, if you will. So left hand you're going to play B flat, right hand you're going to play G, C, E. Okay, you go to your chord 3. Okay. So left hand's going to be A, G. Right hand's going to be C, F, G, C. So I'll take that from the top. So beauty, beauty of your holiness. 7, 3, 6 on you. The 4/5 slash chord. Alright. 3. Okay. Okay. When you get to your chord 3, mighty God, you play just the chord 6. Okay. So left hand's going to be D and A, right hand's going to be C, E, G. This is a 5/6 chord. Okay, then you go to your 1 sharp, it's like a diminished. So you go to your 1 sharp, it's like a diminished. Okay, so you play left hand's going to be F sharp, D, E. Right hand's going to be A, D, E, A. Okay, so from the top. So chord 2. Some of these chords are similar to the chords we looked at in the verse. Okay, so the chord 2 again is going to be G and D in the left hand. Right hand you're going to play B flat, D, G, B flat. Let's play this, yeah. So left hand you're going to play for your chord 3 here. You're going to play A, F, and G. Right hand you're going to play C, D, and G. Okay. Then you're going to play chord 5. Okay. Oh, you could do a walk up and then 5. Let's stick with the chord 5. But you have an option to play a chord 4 before you come to your 5. So chord 5 is going to be C, G, B flat. On your left hand, your right hand, you're going to play D, F, A, C. I will worship you. Then same back to the 7, 3, 6. It's the same chords, but 5/4. Almighty God. Woo! Let's add this in. Left hand, you're gonna play 1 sharp. That's your F sharp. Your right hand, you're gonna play D. It's a B flat major chord. D, F, B flat, and D. Okay. This is new, man. I don't usually play like this, but just want to throw in some extra stuff for you guys. In the beauty of your... Okay, so let's take it from the top, and then I'll show you how we end that. So 7, 3. Worship you, Almighty God, in the beauty of your holiness. 7, 3. Worship you, Almighty God, beauty. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3. So this is the similar progression, or the same progression, identical to what we played this part in the verses. 2, 3, 4. 4 sharp, 5. Then we go back to our 1. Okay, so 2. Chord 2 is going to be G, F on your left hand, B flat, D, G, B flat your right hand. Okay, chord 3 is going to be A and G in your left hand, C, F, A in your right hand. Okay, it's going to be, chord 4 is going to be B flat in your left hand, D and G in your right hand. 4 sharp is going to be B and G in your left hand, D and F in your right hand. And then your chord 5 before you resolve. And it's going to be C, G, B flat in your left hand. Your chord 5 before you resolve. It's going to be C, G, B flat in your left hand, D, F, So we're going to take it from the top now and play through the intro. We're going to play through the verse and go into the chorus, and then I'll end for you guys, and you can kind of pick up extra bits throughout. It's all here. You can play it back as well, rewind, pause, slow it down, just to capture any parts of the song you like. Of course, remember this is just a cover, or my cover, if you will, my interpretation of the song based on the Staten version, and there are other versions of Lord I Thirst for You which are going to come up on the screen, just to refer to different artists who have done the song, and you can go and listen to their versions and add stuff. You can take stuff away, whatever you feel is appropriate for your worship setting and your skill level. Remember that this is just a guideline as to the general progression of the song, and you can change it up where you like. You can add stuff as I have done here, and let's get going. Let's start this off. Okay, so